Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has identified Meta as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.18. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has encountered a decline of 6.80%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.36% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, presenting a potentially valuable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $569.36 is breached, it will initially signal an increased rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -2.2% over the next 3 months, with potential returns fluctuating between -3.46% and 23.57%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 37.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 37.85% to 81.89% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range of approximately $795.03 to $1,049.04. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock price ended at $576.74 on Friday, after losing 4.29%. The Meta stock price fell by 4.29% on the last day, Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, from $602.58 to $576.74. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.85%, with a day low at $573.92 and a day high of $601.74. The price has been volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 5.08% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 7 million shares, but this was accompanied by falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 17 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $740.89, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price is 22.16%, or $164.15, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Meta platforms have experienced significant downward pressure, plunging 4.37% today, contributing to a broader decline among digital advertising giants, including Alphabet and Netflix. This bearish sentiment arises amid heightened scrutiny and the imminent threat of an antitrust fine from the European Union, which could impact Meta's operations and financial stability. Additionally, the company is facing internal challenges, losing 2 senior executives responsible for its largest markets and advertising verticals, further straining investor confidence. This leadership shakeup could lead to disruptions in strategy execution, potentially affecting revenue in the short term. On a more positive note, Meta is actively enhancing user engagement with the introduction of a new Friends tab on Facebook, aimed at revitalizing the platform's core experience. While this initiative might not immediately reverse stock trends, it indicates Meta's adaptability in a competitive environment. Overall, the combination of executive departures, anticipated regulatory action, and a tough market environment could weigh on Meta's stock in the near term. However, Its efforts to innovate and restore the original user experience may position it better for recovery in the long run as the digital advertising landscape evolves. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 11, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Meta a strong buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Meta a sector perform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Meta a market perform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could affect the stock's near-term performance. The Meta stock currently displays sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $602.53 and $648.08. A breakout above any of these points would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14th, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 21.71%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased during the price drop yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under certain conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with adequate trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $27.81 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.85%. In the last week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 2.85%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in companies with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.33. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $596.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune moment to consider swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which implies that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 25th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units (RSU) of Class A. On the 20th of March, 2025, Bosworth Andrew conducted an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units (RSU) of Class A. On the 20th of March, 2025, Cox Christopher K. conducted an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units (RSU) of Class A. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 14.576. Overall, insiders purchased 202,871 shares and sold 154,883 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for the stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend, suggesting it may continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and fluctuations from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we anticipate Meta to open higher by $7.39, starting at a price of $584.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.